Hey guys, today we're gonna go around and ask our staff members what they're planting in their garden this year. Maybe it's stuff that they've had year after year with really great success, or something new that they're just curious about. Let's go check them out.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm your greenhouse lead here at Tonkadale, and I wanted to show you an annual that I'm really excited about this year. This beautiful Kupfia. It's got lavender flowers. They're so beautiful. Gorgina. They are called Sweet Talk Lavender Splash. These are great for hummingbirds if you're looking for some pollinator annuals to put in your garden this year. I planted these in one of my combo pots right at my front door. Hopefully I can get some hummingbirds right up next to me while I sit outside. I'm obsessed with this one. Another one I'm really excited about, I might as well just do another one while we're over here, is the cutest little Bidens. This is our pink buzz Biden. So cute. This is another one I'm really excited about. It's Biden's. It's a spicy electric white. Beautiful and buttery. We love that.
Hi, I'm Lily, and this year I am planting City Lights purple dahlias. They're beautiful. You can grab tubers from them. They have big blooms. They're beautiful colors, and my family has been planting them for years and years.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm on the media and visual teams at Tonkadale. Two of my favorite picks for this spring that I'm planting in my raised beds are the nasturtium cherry rose. They just have these gorgeous lily pad style leaves, and they're edible, which is awesome. Another new favorite for me is the lantana bandana peach, which starts off at this buttery yellow and then kind of later blooms out into a really gorgeous light peach color. Go Gina! I live in an apartment building with a west-facing deck, so I have very limited space to work with. I have a couple of raised beds, but these will bush out and trail really nicely, and these will bush out really nicely. Fill my space, love the hot summer sun. I'm really excited.
To start us off, I want to share this Kentucky Blue Moon Wisteria. I actually bought one of these last year and planted it behind my trellis in hopes that it'll just take over, because it is a climbing plant and it likes full sun, and I have a lot of sun. It's got these really beautiful drapey leaves, also these purple blooms. Granted, we do live in Minnesota, so the blooms might not happen as frequent as they would in a hotter state. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see that, but they're just awesome, beautiful, chunky purple blooms that will drape down. And thankfully mine came back this year, so I'm really stoked to see how far it gets and then just its growth over time. Okay, second plant I'm gonna try this year is the breaker iris. This color is just insane. It's like a lavender purpley color. I'm a sucker for anything purple. I know that's like basic for irises, but it's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if I'm actually going to get this one, but I just had to show you how cool it is. It is the Neptune's Wine iris. Can you see that? It's like the deepest, most moody red. I love moody plants. So I don't know. We just got these in. I don't know if they're new to Tonkadale, but they're so pretty and they look really great right now. They're probably going to fly out the door, so I might need to hop on this one if I want it, because it'll be gone here pretty soon.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hi, my name is Betsy. My annual plant pick for this season is the Gomphrena. Super cute little pom-poms, full sun. I'm doing it in pots on my deck and patio, and we just got a fresh batch in from our grower. My perennial plant pick for this season is Dictymus albus, also known as gas plant. If you know, you know. I am planting this in a full sun spot in my perennial bed, not too close to the grill, because you can light it on fire. There's like videos of you light a lighter next to it and it just whoop, because it puts off fumes. Party trick.
Hi guys, I'm Faith. I'm on our design team and also on our media team. I tend to choose a lot of the ones that I'm using when I'm potting up the combo pots that are up front. One of my favorite is the Iconia First Kiss Hot Pink. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't know, the yellow center and the pink, I'm just absolutely obsessed with this one. These are good for shade. They can handle some sun, but we put these in our shade pots. This is the Petticoat Blue Star New Guinea Impatient. I love the dark foliage with the super bright bloom on this. I put these in our shade pots as well. I just think these colors are absolutely beautiful.